Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into what is arguably the best EVGA Geforce RTX 3090 Ftw3 on the market. The EVGA Geforce RTX 3090 Ftw3 Ultra Gaming. Model number 24GP53987KR. This powerhouse graphics card offers an impressive combination of cutting-edge technology, raw performance, and premium design, making it a top choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone demanding the very best from their PC. At the heart of this card lies the NVIDIA Ampere architecture, a true game-changer in GPU design. The RTX 3090 Ftw3 Ultra Gaming is built to handle 8K resolution effortlessly, delivering breathtaking visuals and silky smooth frame rates. The card features 24GB of ultra-fast GDDR6X memory running at an impressive 19,500 MHz. Ensuring that memory bandwidth won't bottleneck your performance, no matter how demanding your applications are. One of the standout features of this card is EVGA's exclusive ICX3 cooling technology. It's engineered to keep temperatures low and performance high, even during intense gaming or heavy workstation tasks. The advanced cooling system utilizes multiple sensors, an efficient fan layout, and precision thermal control to make sure your card stays cool under pressure. Plus, it's designed for silent operation, so you won't be distracted by noisy fans during gameplay or rendering sessions. Visually, the RTX 3090 Ftw3 Ultra is a statement piece. It boasts an adjustable ARGB LED system that can be fully customized to match your build's aesthetic. Whether you want subtle lighting or a full spectrum of colors, this card lets you personalize your rig with ease. The robust metal backplate adds durability and helps with heat dissipation, giving the card a premium feel and a solid build quality that EVGA is known for. Performance-wise, this card features second-generation ray tracing cores and third-generation tensor cores. These advancements deliver superior ray tracing effects and AI-powered features like DLSS, making games and creative applications look stunning while maintaining high frame rates. It also supports PCI Express Gen 4 for faster data transfer speeds, which pairs perfectly with the latest motherboards and CPUs. Connectivity is straightforward with multiple DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, allowing you to set up multi-monitor gaming or productivity environments without hassle. Whether you're gaming on a single ultra-wide monitor or a multi-display setup, this card has you covered with crisp and reliable output. The EVGA Precision X1 software is another highlight. This intuitive software suite gives you complete control over your GPU, including overclocking, fan speeds, and LED lighting customization. It's user-friendly, even for those new to tweaking their hardware, but powerful enough for enthusiasts who want to squeeze every bit of performance from their card. Physically, the card measures approximately 11.9 inches long, which is typical for high-end GPUs. It requires a good case with enough space and a quality power supply unit, as the RTX 3090 Ftw3 Ultra is a power-hungry beast operating at 12 volts. The overall weight and sturdy build further emphasize that this is a premium component built for serious performance. In summary, the EVGA Geforce RTX 3090 Ftw3 Ultra Gaming is the ultimate solution for those who want uncompromising power, advanced cooling, and customizable aesthetics. Whether you're pushing the limits in the latest AAA games, handling complex 3D rendering, or working with large video projects, this card is designed to deliver. It embodies EVGA's reputation for quality and innovation, making it a perfect fit for anyone who demands the best from their graphics hardware. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the best EVGA Geforce RTX 3090 Ftw3, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.